What's up, guys? So right now the engine suspended. A lot of you know, I already know, I'm mostly, I just built an Evo, Subaru. This is my first Honda. And a lot of times, with like Subarus, there's the monolock that you gotta unlock in there. And I don't know. So this has an XD clutch already in here, but if you look, that doesn't seem right. I don't like that. Something's missing in there. I know this is supposed to happen, it's supposed to be halfway, which it is, stops halfway, but this part, he's had problems with the clutch, and that doesn't seem too good. Nor does, if you look at the sleeve, when this was bolted up, it just like, this threading was just this is wiggling like crazy. I think who installed this was the best at cars, but I'm not gonna say I know what I'm doing with these Hondas yet, because figuring out how I go. This is all new to me for Honda stuff. And I built a couple big turbo Subarus in my life, but car's a car. But I've heard these K-series are pretty nasty, so about to find out. Next thing, let's see, we gotta do tranny off, put the engine on the engine stand, and then start opening her up. ARP studs, Type S oil pump, hybrid tensioner. Just like the best stock engine you can get. Want to make this one work. This one only has like 20,000 miles on it, so stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. Thanks, guys. So right now I'm taking the meth system out of my car. I had the pump, the reservoir, got this pulled out, the controller wire, and then controller box and all the wires to go with that. Giving Billy this exhaust boost gauge, and then my air fuel gauge that's in over there. It's the exhaust EGT gauge. Don't really need that right now. Getting this all apart, kind of partying it out. I got into an accident and kind of just pulling parts off of it right now. It's all f***ed up. My baby car, But she's coming back. I'm putting a Jay-Z in it. Oh yeah, this is the meth pipe. Here we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna start cracking at this. Let's get it, boys. We got valve cover off. VTEC stuff's pretty cool. Look, that's the roller that goes down. It's pretty cool. I never really dove into one of these. I got the water hoses off, I took the cooler off. Just wanna get this off. Maybe get the oil pan off. Let's see what we got working with here, bud. He's Type S oil pump, and then hybrid tensioner in there. Stock cams, E3 cams are pretty good, I heard. And if you look, see all the oil? You didn't have a catch can on this. For the fuel system for this thing, we're doing D-Works full A in line with the return, race car stuff. Also, the Meth injection though too. So we're gonna mount that in the trunk. It'll be 93 Meth for now. It'll be great. What's nice is that we'll be able to go E at any point, because it's all E85, I don't really like fuel systems that are not full E85. It's just, I've seen enough what E85 does to rubber lines and improper fuel systems. So AN lines, everything. The sending unit, everything. The regulator, all the 85 safe. Injectors. For injectors, we got ID 1000 for now. We need to get them full tested, and I guess Billy's got a person that can do that. I'll keep you guys updated where we're gonna mount it and stuff. Yeah, just pulling out the meth system, and I'll keep you guys updated. Waiting for Billy to get home, because so we want to put head studs on this motor, but I would just want his full approval first before I take apart everything, because the studs are underneath all of this jam. So is he really willing to take it apart and stuff like that? That's for him question. So it's all depends on what he wants me to do. So we got all the controllers out, buttons out, activation buttons. Here, mount that in the car, in the glove box. Trigger, wiring, and then we got, that's the line that brings it to the injector. And then this is the pump, reservoir. We're gonna mount all this in the tank, fuel, power relay, and that's the feed that we gotta run through the car. I don't know how we're gonna do this yet. I haven't even popped his trunk yet, so we'll get back to you on that. But just wanted to show you where we're at. Meth is gonna be fun. Got meth tank in, trimmed around here, screwed it in here. Good to go. I'm mounting this in now to the pump, and then I'm gonna start running wires through there. I like that. Got the fuel pump. That's what I like to see. Also, I got a vacuum in here to make it look nice. You know, startup perfection.
What's going on, fam? So it is a new day, and we are back out with the FD. And in the last video, we got the motor out. Today, Booty got her on the stand while I was at work, and we also separated the trans. If we come over here, take a look at the clutch.
Trans is right there.
Yeah, trans casing is right there, and the clutch is literally brand new, as you guys already know based off my old videos.
The only thing is, it's great. Evo's compared to that.
And there's a flywheel.
Yeah, just a little heat through there. Nothing crazy.
Yeah, I seen a couple of like burn marks,
just
but
a little heat in there. You know, the springs are all good. Those are mint.
this is gonna be up for sale, guys. So if anyone is in the CT area and is looking to buy it, it's brand new. It has 3,000 miles on it. It's a Stage 1 Exetti OEM spec clutch with a Stage 3 action flywheel.
You want to keep that flywheel or get the one that comes with the new clutch?
I'm probably gonna get the one that comes with the new clutch.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was your opinion on the lightweight?
I loved it.
Really?
Dude, it was sick, yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's an 11-pound flywheel, guys, the action clutch, and it's like...
You gotta
shift it quick, though.
Yeah, my thing with this, man, is like, you know, lighter weight, right? It's gonna fall back in the RPM range, right? So, like, your power is gonna be, it's a supercharger, so your power, you're gonna want a lightweight one to fall back down.
No. I'm gonna want
versus like a turbo one where, like, you know, like the Evo, right?
Yeah.
6870 on a 2 liter. 2Js make 1,000 on that, right. And like that's lagging on a 2J. Imagine what's lagging on the Evo.
Oh, yeah.
So you're probably gonna want like a heavy one not to fall back down so far, so that you're not in the you're in the power range on the Evo at least. For a big turbo car.
Yeah, for a big turbo car.
Yeah, for a big turbo car.
Supercharged.
Yeah.
The way I'm gonna want the
lightweight, so you can get back down to the lower RPMs because
I don't gotta
wind it out to 9,000 anymore. You're probably gonna be going to 85 maybe.
85 max.
Yeah.
85 max. I'll be going.
Because you're spinning the blower on the versus, like, you know, turbos, you can go moon, you know.
Right. Yeah.
But
with this one, especially the road tracks, it's not good with banging off rev limiter. It's not really good with high RPM. 8,500 will do just fine.
Yeah.
The amount of power that will be needed.
Crimea River, 8,000 RPMs, right?
How was getting that out?
Not bad. So like the thing is, what I was getting a little weird with was so a lot of you know, like Subaru clutches, right? See this monolock? It's a push-pull type clutch, right? See this monolock?
Yep.
That basically, like in here, it locks in there like that. So a lot of times you gotta take the shift fork off. That's what you get the shift fork out. That thing you didn't have to do anything. You just
It pops right out.
Yeah, that's awesome. I was see on the input shaft, there's no ring. I don't like that though.
Yeah, no.
That's not right.
A new shift fork.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm thinking.
Another thing, guys, the Hasport motor mounts just came in. We got the entire full kit. So another thing that's gonna be for sale is I have another motor mount that's out of the car right now, right here. This was used for $5K, maybe.
That's nothing.
Yeah,
This
is just oil and
the bushing's still
whatnot.
fine.
Yeah, the bushing is still mint. So if anyone wants to buy this, hit me up. IG, shoot a comment. We'll get in touch.
That white FD.
Yes, sir. At that white FD2. So yeah, we got the full kit. It's sweet too because it comes with all your brackets that you need.
Someone decided to delete this mount right here.
Oh, the front mount?
Yeah.
Yo, Eric, if you're watching this, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't ever let that fly.
No, oh hell no. Dude, he must have seen that too when he...
Yeah, like some of the bolts had like heads were like not really necessarily stripped, but they had definitely been turned. Anyways, onto the motor. We got her all ready to go.
Yeah. Ordering the Type S pump tonight.
Type S pump, ARP studs,
Yep.
hybrid tensioner.
I get the clutch order as well.
Yeah, clutch masters, right?
Yeah, clutch masters. The clutch I'm going with is the FX400. I read into a bunch of forums, and everyone that has ran that clutch at around 400 to 500 horsepower, even more. My buddy's running at like 550 right now, and he loves it. So
Cool.
I'm gonna go with that.
K24 pulley.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, speaking about the pulley, so
Yeah.
it has a little locking pin, right?
Yeah.
I have locking pin, but it's somewhere on the ground over there, probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll investigate once we get all this off.
Yeah.
On the board.
Hey, another thing, guys. Delete the heat or keep the heat. What you guys think? Because it could go one of two ways. Like Booty was saying, it could help suck heat out of the bay,
Yeah,
or it could also retain a lot of heat and keep temps hotter. So it's...
you can keep AC.
What's that?
Have you ever heard of a inner chillers? You heard
Inner
of,
chillers?
Yeah, have you ever heard of inner chillers? Anything LT based like Chevy and stuff. So an inner chiller actually takes the AC and it can cool the IATs for a supercharger. Yeah, it uses the air conditioner to.
But we don't have AC.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying
Oh,
like how cool an inner
Yeah,
chiller would be.
that'd
For
be-
the they use the AC to cool the IATs.
If we went C30,
Yeah.
if we went C30, I think we could have done that.
Isn't that sick?
Oh yeah, that is
Yeah,
sick.
there's like inner chiller kicks. Also, there's a Meth system in that car. Go to old Goodwill over there. Taking the Meth system out of that, putting it in here. So we're gonna have Meth in 93, and then he's gonna, if he ever wants to do E at some point, ready to go. Like
Yep.
the whole fuel system's E85 set.
Well, first off, ultimate goal is meth injection, primary tune for E85, and then a secondary tune for 93. Or just a simple flex fuel setup where I could run both on the same tune. Just for reliability purposes. Of course, it's going to give more power as well. But my,
It's that good stuff.
yeah, it's the coin, you know.
Mint, dude. Like, it's pure.
Well, I was thinking 85 just because it's dumb cheap. But
Oh, well, no. You want to get, you get the barrels or you go to the pump? You want to go to the pump?
yeah.
Okay, we can go to the pump. Just use your test kits. Buy some test kits. Test it before you put it in your car. If it doesn't come out good, put 93 in it. Done deal.
Okay.
You just gotta squirt a little bit in the top, and then it gives you the alcohol percentage.
Word.
And and then even then you could probably put E90 in it still. You want it? Bab is talking.
Facts. Yeah.
Give them the
Show
give
him
'em- yeah.
the Honda Boy loving.
Yeah, man.
Show him what these
Me,
things
dude.
can
I'm building
do.
a Honda now.
Yeah.
And if this was like, no offense to like the D guys or the E, if this wasn't anything like, if this was just like a, I don't know, no offense to the D, but like if this was like, oh dude, let's go turbo D, like it's kind of a joke to me. I'm sorry.
Yo, chill.
I love it.
Turbo
But like,
D.
this is serious business. Like this is the business.
Oh,
That's for the
yeah.
fun, you know.
This is
I
all-
like doing the business.
Yeah.
This is for the business, you know.
Yeah, this is definitely.
not like the business here, but like
Yeah,
down to
nah.
business.
This is definitely the business. The
Yeah,
business
it works.
block. But like a turbo D, that'd be.
oh yeah, I'm all
sick.
down for that thing. But like
Yeah.
I don't know. This is real to me. Like this kind of stuff.
Right.
I like-
Can't wait till this is wrinkle red.
Yeah, it's
The gold doesn't look bad, but like it's a little too much.
doesn't match anything.
Yeah, nah, it's just kind of
Type R.
Yo, he also messed up. What is this?
I don't know.
Let me put a locking nut on there. Okay. So guys, that's about it for today's video. As you guys see, we got the hoses hanging out from the meth kit out the door and into this little bucket right here because she's leaking a little bit. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to wrap things up for you guys. I appreciate you guys showing support in this series. As we speak, I actually have a lot more parts coming in, so stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next vid. Peace. Facts.